Tired of endlessly scrolling through Docusign trying to find that one crucial document? Let's unlock the power of Docusign's search feature in this 90-second tutorial. Making document retrieval a breeze. First, locate the search bar at the very top of your Docusign dashboard, prominently displayed for easy access. Now, type in your search term. This could be a recipient's name, a keyword from the document, an envelope subject, or even a specific document ID. Docusign search is quite versatile. As you type, Docusign intelligently suggests relevant results. You can either select one of these suggestions or continue typing your full search term. Notice how the drop-down categorizes results by envelopes, templates, and other relevant sections. After hitting enter, you'll be directed to the search results page. Here, you'll see a list of all envelopes matching your criteria. To refine your search further, use the filters on the left-hand sidebar. These filters allow you to narrow down your results by date sent, envelope status like completed, sent or voided, and even by specific recipients. Experiment with these filters to pinpoint exactly what you're looking for. Once you've found the correct envelope, simply click on it to open and access the document, and that's it. You've successfully used Docusign's search feature. With these search tips, you'll save time and efficiently manage your documents within Docusign. Happy searching!